Hey, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Got a Jellas. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Jellas. Almost like you Jealous, but Jellas. Jellas. Got a Jellas Orbital Electric disc sander here. Let's see. 18-piece sandpaper. No load, speed, 8,000 to 13,000 RPMs. Paper and base size, 125 millimeter. And I don't really know exactly what that is to inches, but I'm going to say it's 5 inches. This is coming out of, let's see, Jellas Technology Limited. YouTube Jellas Tools Official. Email support@jellas.com. Let's see, here's a E2EURO, whatever that is. Consulting Hungary for something. And here's an address. Let me turn it this way. It's kind of hard to read. I don't know what language it is. I guess it's Germany. Haferstrasse, I don't know. 9B in Ludwigsburg, Germany. Huh. Made in China. And here are the shipping specs that on here. If you need to pause that and check that out. Maybe you should use people that can speak German can figure that out for me. There we go. Let's open this thing up. Got a knife here. Just going to go from the side. Open this thing up and see how it looks. There we go. Throw that over there. Nice box it came in. Nice heavy duty box. So, be a nice little box to keep this stored in. Okay, here's the typical owner's manual. Comes in a Ziploc bag. Now, I'm pretty familiar how to use this thing. I've been doing woodworking for 40-something years now. Let's see, here's warranty card and a thank you card. That's pretty nice of them. Not too often that a manufacturer puts a thank you card for purchasing their product. Typical features right here. Here are the 18-piece sandpaper. Let's open this up. See what we have going for us in here. Like I said, I'm going to purposely not read the directions. See how easy this is to operate straight out of the box. Okay, P60, 60 grit. We got 3. Let's see, 80 grit. We have 3. 120 grit. We have 3. 180 grit, we have 3. 240 grit, we have 3. And I believe this is 320, we have 3. And all of these are 5-inch, 8-hole discs. And since can't say Velcro, because that's a trademark name, but we can say hook and loop. So these are hook and loop sanding pads. Not a big deal though. Here we have the dust bag. And for right now, let's just see how this thing fits on here. You'll see you have these two little knobs right here, and they fit into these two notches right here. So you just insert, excuse me here, insert and twist. There we go. Twist probably like a half an inch or so clockwise direction, and likewise take it off, twist counterclockwise, and just pull out. Now this is able to accept a vacuum cleaner. If you have the right size, shouldn't be that hard to get a vacuum to fit on there. Some kind of maybe a little shop vac type stuff. 4 screws in the bottom. Okay, first thing I noticed on this thing is there is an older tool manufacturer that uses almost the same colors as these. They were very popular here in the US several years ago. Don't want to say their name, but they were one of the most popular tools around at the time, one of the best quality. So I do have one of those tools. I have a finishing sander from them. So this, right out of the box, this reminds me of that tool manufacturer. Okay, here's the speed control. Not many random orbital sanders come with a speed control. Huh. I like that. It's your off and on switch right here. Very well protected. Keep dust from getting in there. Okay, the cord has a not Velcro, can't say that. Has a hook and loop band right here. Trying to find the end of it. There it is. It's a thin band, but at least they were thinking of us by putting that on there. I appreciate that. It's going to come in handy. Here's the zip tie. Let's get rid of that. Now, okay. Just by guess, without reading the directions, I'm going to say this is since it's made in Germany, I'm going to say this is a 3-meter cord, or almost 10 feet. It comes with a little protector right there, keep it from getting bent up. So let's just put that away. Nice rubberized casing on here. I don't have huge hands, but it fits pretty comfortable in there. This way or this way. Now, one thing I do like about this, you can grab it from right here and use it. Okay, got the air intake and where it blows out right there. Let me plug this in and see if I said that right. Turn it on. Intake on top. Exhale right here in the bottom. Inhale, exhale. Let me turn this down all the way to number 1. Now, Random Orbital Sander, it goes in a circle and it goes almost in a figure 8 motion. Let me turn this on and turn it off real quick, and maybe you'll be able to see that. See when it slows down. See it going in kind of a figure 8 motion. Okay, just like other hook and loop things, you just eyeball the holes in your sanding pad, eyeball the holes in your orbital sander. There you go. Not quite 100% centered, but let's take that off. Now over here, I've got another brand of sanding pads. Let's see how those line up. This is also a 8-hole 5-inch disc. So I'm going to hold this with my thumb, look through here, and see how well that lines up. Just like it should. No issues at all. Now you can see that orbital action right there. So let's take this one off. And we are going to review the ones that came with the tool. So, I got my phone right here. The sound meter. Here's a picture of the sound meter right here. I'm going to get this started. Okay, come on now. Okay. Test, test. Me talking is around, right now, it's going between 75 and 80 dBs. And you can see the little meter right there going up and down. So, let's see what this is. Okay, I'm going to put it on 1. Turn it on. Take it up to 3. $76.77. It's up to 5. Getting louder and louder. So I'm going to just call that 81, number 6. Okay, I turned it off at 82.5. Let's just say 82.5. Pretty loud. But I'm also indoors. So, true test. Outside I took a 2x4, which most of you know is 1.5 by 3.5. And I spray painted with black paint 1 foot on a 2x4. So we're going to use a 60 grit sanding pad. Put on here. So 2 things we want to test. We're going to test and see the action and how much dust it collects. So let me unplug this right here. We're going to go outside. I'll get another camera. We're going to go outside. Be right back with you. Okay, here we go. Y'all saw what it can do. It performs pretty well, I believe. Got no issues at all with the performance, with the weight of it, with the vibration. It did not tire out my hand in the short period that I used it. Y'all saw the dust collection on the back, how it worked. It comes with the 18 discs, different grits, 10-foot cord. Most of the tools made in America have a 6-foot cord. Very comfortable. Now, what do I not like about it? Well, the only thing I don't like about it is this orange knob right here. I'm sure on the S on the name, it's more of a yellow color. I'm sure they're trying to match that up. But I think it would look better if this was a black knob with white numbers. But just a personal preference, it would match this, being black with white. Not a big deal in performance though, just little nitpicky stuff like that. I don't know how much this costs on Amazon. In fact, it doesn't really matter to me. But I have paid in the past $50, $60, $70 for orbital sanders that did not work as well as this. So I'm happy with it. Check it out. If you got a time, watch more YouTube videos. Get some more reviews on this before you buy one. Jellas, Jellas. I hope they do good in the United States. I hope they really do well. I don't know what other tools they have, but I notice they have other sanders. They have one with a handle on the front right here, so you can kind of hold it as you're sanding. They have a detail sander, which has the triangle pad on the bottom. I know they have a belt sander, but I'm happy with this. Quite pleased, 100% satisfied. I would not hesitate buying one or buying another Jellas tool because I have this one. But make your own decision. Check it out. If you can find one, hold one. Amazon, buy one. Try it for a few days. If you don't like it, just send it back to Amazon. But I'm sure you'll like it. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you spending your time with me today. Have a good day.